So let's talk about the California fires. I'm a remote viewer, that's what I do. I get out of my body to take a look at events behind the scenes. And we all know that there are suspicious things taking place, but what really is going on? So it was clear when I was taking a look at this that the fires were very intentionally set by organizations. It seemed like there were about 3 to 4 different organizations behind the setting of the wildfires. Then I had to ask why? Why would they intentionally do this? And one of the reasons, there are multiple, but one of them is to apparently devalue the land so that they can then buy up the land. And when I asked why they wanted to buy the land around Los Angeles, it was clear that there was some sort of testing or experimentation that they wanted to do. Like it seemed like that was going to be the hub for their next agenda. So the fires apparently are not actually their end goal. They're just a means to an end. Once again, testing, experimentation, and buying up the land. And then I took a look at how the fires were actually started. And interestingly enough, I saw them being physically started, like boots on the ground physically started. And then when I took a look at the winds, it was also clear that the winds were stimulated or simulated by devices or technology. I wasn't even sure that that was possible, but apparently the technology manipulates the electromagnetic frequency, and that can actually push or change wind direction, which was really interesting. The reason why they had to physically start the fires is because there are too many people that are aware of their technologies, specifically the direct energy weapons, and to avoid conspiracy, they decided to manually start them. Now, there's so much more to this. If you want to know the connection between the Maui fires and even the Vatican, check out the whole video on YouTube or check it out ad-free on my website. But what we have to keep in mind is that we are conscious beings and our focus creates the reality around us. That's just simply quantum mechanics. So please focus on rain for California, focus on zero winds or at least muting some of the winds that are happening. We did this with Hurricane Milton. We know we can come together and do this. So please focus on rain for California right now.